Students unity, long live! Long live! Long live! ABC administration down, down! Down, 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 down! ABC administration down, down! Down, 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 down! No buses! No race! No buses! No race! Long live! Long live! ABC long live! Long live! Long live! Students unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Students unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Students unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Down, down, down! ABC administration down, down! Down, 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 down! ABC administration down, down! Down, 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 down! Students unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Students unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Students unity, long live! Long live! Long live!
bạn hai ticket đi.
Very valid. All the demands are very valid. I am also with you, you know. And you have done absolutely right. But first one, today at 12 o'clock there is a meeting, online meeting. So in that decision will be signed. So that is not in my faculty vacancies. I can tell you one thing. It is already there more than 100 vacancies altogether. 2 campuses. Our campus is in very bad shape, I know that. But there is a court case going on. And when it has gone to Guwahati High Court, nobody has any control over it. Till it is vacated. So that is, we are trying every other month somebody is going to Guwahati. So that is court case. Number of buses is a very valid demand. But where is Dia? Dia can say something about it. What do we do about it?
How much time is it? Five plus 2, 7 buses. 2 yellow buses and other 5 buses. This one or two can be increased, but what is the cost involvement that so we see this. We have to discuss this with the portal. Bus service.
What about the playground, sir?
Playground construction, we can, if you want for winter, we can again do that JCB type of thing and increase it a little bit.
But that is unplayable, sir. If the playground was there, we don't have to go to Casa Stadium to play our football matches. Yes. The students, they have to travel so far to play football tournaments, especially this time when we went to Silchar. It was so saddening, sir. My dear students, those who went to play football in Silchar, please raise your hand.
We don't even have the playground to practice our football match.
Yes.
We don't have the ground to do our drills. We don't have the ground to do our warm-ups.
And this was the result, sir. And this is the result.
Actually, we don't want this, sir. Actually, we don't want this to be happen, sir. But you want it, sir. You want it.
Every year it's happening, sir. Every year we're protesting for the same thing, sir.
We have
Hostel, the
submitted memorandum also,
playground,
sir.
the buses.
We have submitted memorandum time and again, sir. These have been the prolonged demands of our students.
Playground, this was for stadium type playground. We have already given the proposal, which approved in 2 stages. But this is the final stage now. This in the form of a stadium type. Mini stadium type. We have proposed for mini stadium type. It is in the approval stage. 2 places it is already approved. But ultimately this is going to be funded by HIFA, Higher Education Funding Agency is there. Before that, some procedure is there. It is in the pipeline. This is the construction of the playground. But for last year, we have made at least with JCB. We tried. Earlier, this was also not there. So this is the status of this playground. And about boys hostel, this time also they have not provided the furniture, CPWD. So university has told them, if you don't provide the furniture, then at least you tell what is the total cost of your thing. Then we will see to it what needs to be done. Because CPWD has got this work and they were supposed to complete this boys hostel including furniture. So only the furniture portion is left out. For these, university has been writing to them. They are replying, and like that recently also we have from headquarters a letter has been sent to complete to give us the completion process.
Sir, it has to be fast track, sir. The hostels should be fast track. But the thing is that the girls' hostel, especially, it was supposed to be completed on January 2024. According to the assurance that you have given to us. That was the former union. Sir, but now what happened is that the engineer is telling us that it will be completed by January of 2025. And then the furniture. And like that, 3, 4, 5 sessions will go over, sir. Yes. These poor students, sir, just look at them, sir. Where are they staying? They're staying in rent, 8 kilometers far from our university. They have to cook for themselves. They have to pay for the rent, sir. At least if they have stayed here in our university, we will have better attendance. They will also have this, they won't have to pay for extra kharcha, sir. No money extra. It would have been able to give so much for our students, sir, but because of these things.
And sir, Boys
No
Hostel was
hostel.
inaugurated in the year, I think 2022, I think. But still not functioning, sir. So what is the reasons behind it, sir? It's still not functioning?
The CPWD is supposed to provide the furniture. Then they could not provide, they asked us for extra money. The university provided extra money for the furniture, 55 lakhs they paid, full amount they paid. Now the CPWD is now saying that we have spent that money and we want more money. This is the point where the final thing is not. So now university has given the ultimatum that you hand over the hostel to us and we'll do whatever possible and return the 55,000 that we gave for the furniture.
If it
This
was
is the situation.
If it was Silchar University, then it would have immediately finished it, sir. Yes. If it was Silchar University. But our Diffu campus, sir, they are totally being ignorant to our situation, sir. For 2 years, sir, it's being vacant, sir.
For this admission also, sir, we have been waiting for since 5 years.
Since 5.
Or since 5.
They told us our BBC sir
too
is
late, sir.
great, our VC sir is great. They're roaming us in circles, sir. What can we do? We are not demanding something very outrageous, sir. We are demanding what is rightfully ours, sir.
These are just the basic needs of the students.
Absolutely. Whatever default, that also we accept. That maybe we could not do it in collaboration with Silchar. But ultimately, certain things have to be done by Silchar. So we are trying. It is a campus, and at the end of it,
Guys, please.
So the thing is that
Silence.
our administration, they are not speaking enough for us, sir. The Silchar campus, they are doing whatever they think is right, sir. If they would have thought that the students of Diffu campus are suffering so much, let's do something for them. If our VC sir would have stepped up personally, then it would have been a problem, sir. To the apex authority, if they have taken the issue, then it would have been done immediately. So, but what happens, sir? We have to keep going to our elected body, sir. Our executive member, our CEM, have to go to the minister, we have to keep memorandum, memorandum. And when we will get it, sir?
Sir, you are the PUs. Sir, you are the vice chancellors. Yes, sir. You have the responsibility to look after the departments and all the students, sir. You should care, sir. You should care what the problems are having in different departments. What the students are facing. You should care, sir. But you did not care, sir. You don't care, sir.
it's not very right. Every time I'm trying. If it has not happened, of
No,
course,
you
I
should
have to
care,
take
sir.
the blame.
What kind of problems are facing? What kind of problems are facing in what department is that? Anthropology, sir. We have only one member.
Anthropology student, please come here. Please come here. Anthropology student, please come here. Anthropology student, please come here. Sir, since day one, right now he's in his 3rd semester. 2 semester lost. This is the student anthropology. These anthropology students are telling us in that time only, sir. One faculty. And there's one guest faculty is there. But that guest faculty cannot teach them properly, sir. We have already approached to you, sir, regarding this. We personally have approached you 2-3 times, sir. Sir, anthropology. So are the Silchar people trying to take our anthropology department? Or are they not going to care for us, sir? They are also students. They also deserve it, sir. So probably one teacher.
No, I think it's students in
Anthropology, one guest faculty is there.
Yes.
Sir.
But it is not enough, sir.
Just student ratio is not matching.
Our previous year has already said this, that we agree with you, sir. But
practical tools that they are also not available. So it is very hard to do some practical. एंथ्रोपोलॉजी में प्रैक्टिकल और डिसर्टेशन करना ही पड़ता है.
सर भी ऐसा सिचुएशन नहीं कि सर एक साथ दुखी होगा. So we don't have the authority. You have the authority. Yes. You have the authority to speak for us.
सर वन मोर स्मॉल थिंग हम लोग का डिपार्टमेंट में स्टिल अभी तक साइन बोर्ड और वो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एंथ्रोपोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ लाइफ साइंस बोर्ड बैनर होता है ना, अभी तक भी नहीं है हम लोग का डिपार्टमेंट। आप घुसे एंथ्रोपोलॉजी लगता ही नहीं है कि क्लास है,
और प्रैक्टिकल का लेबोरेटरी भी
नहीं है।
जो मतलब ब्लड टेस्ट के लिए एंथ्रोपोलॉजी में रिक्वायरमेंट है, मतलब एंटीजन कुछ प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं है, मतलब सब पुराना हो चुका है।
बेंच छोटा जो बच्चा लोग पहनते हैं उसके ऊपर हम लोग कैसे प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे, आप लोग बोलिए।
एंथ्रोपोलॉजी में एक पार्ट है आर्कियोलॉजिकल एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, उसका टूल भी नहीं है, मतलब पत्थर उत्तर का स्टोन टूल होता है, वो सब कुछ नहीं है।
वो सब तो होना चाहिए।
देखिए सर, कंपेयर डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज।
पुराना एक टीचर था सोमनाथ भट्टाचार्य, उनका टूल वो सब चाहिए ना, मतलब स्टूडेंट को यूनिवर्सिटी
में प्रोवाइड नहीं हो रहा उसका प्रॉपर
every time.
हम लोग बस प्रोड्यूस करेगा, अगर एश्योरेंस नहीं देगा तो हम लोग ऐसे ही दिखेगा।
आज मीटिंग में ये बस का मुद्दा एकदम 100% बोलेंगे एंड यू ऑल्सो बी देयर इफ पॉसिबल आई विल ऑल्सो इंक्लूड यू ओके सो दैट यू कैन हैव योर से रिक्वेस्ट द वीसी एंड
हम लोग को कॉमर्स डिपार्टमेंट से है, हम लोग को क्लास नहीं होगा कॉमर्स डिपार्टमेंट।
any time the HOD say immediately the generator is put on.
No sir, voltage.
कॉमर्स और हिंदी दोनों वोल्टेज काफ़ी नीचे चला गया, पूरी गर्मी में तो एसी भी नीचे
हम लोग को भी पता है
They want to share something with you. Let them share something. I would also like to highlight from the excuse me, sir. No, sir. First, water problem. We don't have drinking water. And there is unhygienic English department. We don't have water in drinking water. Your filter is not okay. There has been problem.
No, this is outsourced maintained. Regularly maintained, outsourced persons are there, and whenever you feed the student or anyone give a control, it will be immediately rectified. We have already
No, every month they are coming.
every month they are coming. I have been
Every department, every month, one guy is
last week also I have informed this HOD.
It's the same guy. He is going to all the departments.
And water in the toilets are very dirty. Very, very dirty.
खराब होने से बंद करने से आके ऑन वो बना देता है पानी के ड्रिंकिंग वाटर तो वो बोल रहे हैं
नहीं आता हम लोग का पानी है, वो करके जाता है सर्विसिंग, हर बार करके जाता है। मैंने उसको बोला है, वो बोलता है आप लोग का टंकी को लेके प्रॉब्लम है, आपका कॉमर्स में आता है, इंग्लिश में नहीं आएगा। तो मैंने उसको बोला तुम बिल करके उसको नीचे लगाओ, बोलता मैं तो नहीं करूँगा ये चीज़, तो आप लोग का शुरू से ऐसा ही प्रॉब्लम है, टंकी को लेके प्रॉब्लम है मुझे। पानी नहीं आता, हम लोग भी बहुत सफर करते हैं, वॉशरूम में पानी नहीं है हम लोग का। बोला वेरी वो तो फिर डर्टी तो हो, लेकिन आना तो चाहिए ना, वो आता नहीं है।
फिल्टर ऑपरेशन के लिए तो
कॉमर्स में आए हैं, इंग्लिश में नहीं आएगा, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मैंने बोला कॉमर्स में पानी आ रहा है, हमारे बच्चे कॉमर्स में
का प्रॉब्लम है या कुछ है
हाइट का प्रॉब्लम है।
वो थोड़ा देखिए क्योंकि अदरवाइज फिल्टर इज मेंटेन इन कैंटीन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लाइब्रेरी एवरीवेयर इट इज मेंटेन because we have very less manpower, so this has been outsourced.
So whenever there is any fault in drinking water or that thing, they can be called by anyone that please come and rectify it.
No, actually, that person used to come. I think every month he used to come for service.
In the whole semester now.
Actually, they have commerce. Commerce में आ रहा है, इंग्लिश में क्यों नहीं आ रहा? बोला मैडम आपको ये कोई हाइट होने की प्रॉब्लम है। करके जाओ रेक्टिफाई बोला मैंने हमारे से बात की आपको देखना हाइट रिड्यूस करना है शायद कॉमर्स में हाइट रिड्यूस करना उधर हाइट कम है इधर हाइट ज़्यादा है
टंकी के साथ कुछ
करना है टंकी के साथ मैंने उसको बोला पानी क्यों नहीं आता है अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैंने बोला मैडम मेरा दिक्कत नहीं आप लोग का दिक्कत
No, I think that's ceiling. Yeah, that's the ceiling. Yeah, and this is the room. Months, they haven't been there. First
हर साल भी यही मदद करना पड़ता है सर, पानी बाथरूम का ये प्रॉब्लम है, हर साल हो रहा है ये।
ये देखो मेरे
Ipotsi dan Assam University di campus lang aningkan mga session ki minuto pasamina to union body hoy pe na student hoy pe pusana to ke song manang ko
ai song manang kok lamang ge kicingsa lamang ge mane chithrak na me aningkan wang a session wang a union budak ke song nang hok nang le budak ke song nang pulote administration jong na me aningkan wang pas nang babar hai po basa kimi nang pi po kita fan student sompat nang pi pe kai tala ke banabas men se ake banabas pasulai bo students jangje seat jangje students nangji mane bas nangji more buses thangpo chai ki koi kai na silchar campus silchar so men chingi momo ningkan pro kai na silchar campus ang ge ko apong tin ingeng ko eson mangko punong ko admission aningkan wang ta kachar liyo sumar ke topik mona seat bang papleng beble kachar liyo sumar dum dopok pare seat papleng ni ma pang yang ne papleng ni mati khala kachar li tum ning hang do bare tenghan kachar li pilong ni seat do kachar liyo sumar do tu bolne seat bedat ke bul admission bedat ke pada ini ke dom ara portal kangku pada ini ke dom ade portal kangku admission portal pada ini portal kangku admission portal ni kudata seat bang beken ko gadi seat weekend ko kore langdom pilo panman mema seat la weekend bi ko gadi lo bachal ingdong de mosoma dom han seat weekend ki bi lo bachal university ki bi lo bachal ning bhan se seat bang da university bilo department sajala pino ya department to han bilo seat pa weekend de dige la bang lo son bange angbar ke son mang ko playground feel away university la central university campus nili tumhe thrang me central university campus si CM सार्टुम लॉन्सी सर फिलंग बिठा स्टेडियम फिलंग बिठा वर्सिटी भी खिला जी वर्सिटी भी नीली तुम कंडक्ट जी हमारे आरनीसी नी फान फिलंग बिठा नीली तुम तो अली अफ्रांग में तो अफ्रांग में दा अफ्रांग इन्हें बुद्धि में काय दा होंग सिखला नामना कासा लोंग नामंग पो कासा स्टेडियम लोंग नामंग पो गोल्फ कॉलेज लोंग नामंग पो अला गोल्फ बॉयज काय दा प्रिंसिपल हन जिंगी नामंग पो CM सर हन जिंगी नामंग पो अपन आरनी फिलंग बिठा सर बा गोल्फ कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल हन दा सर बनाने नी फिलंग बिठा University, Central University to koko de feel like a basic lamante. Nana kione. Jitrak me melo la se pinige nili tum arja teblo. Feel semar nang po. Tentative de nang pinoy so nani tentative nang pinoy. Tentative de ta jong sang pide ke ba de demonstration mang continue bomje.
Kopi ada dak administration nana ja ko mabi manda feel ka serang ke mas ke ite ke na dak chum sa de ko mabi ma
Ek koi gi hedi. Kana silchar campus se koi je. Silchar campus में से aja ko ngai dolo. Isi da institute along ekta head dolo. Inun head dolo. Pro vice chancellor tu. Chancellor vice chancellor Kebang we ke function on edim pro vice chancellor se function ang po alangli long pan power dolo ke alangli ho tenure ho vice chancellor to rakal ke bang chancellor na bang kilo alangli tenure ho chancellor na bang lo vice chancellor na bang lo aso campus bang but alangli ke power ho lo jagong exercise me panan komu ada demand bidon me lo nili do analo pan alangli to na alangli bang wala PVC bang Ho era na ang dima bilon de mandi. Kasi bilis nili ko mga song teblo. Ajab teblo. Long le tik bang ingni mer jeng ko. Tentative je tang pinoy. Basa tentative tang pinoy. Playground tentative tang pinoy. Bar ke nili duma matha bo. Ang boy sonam dula. Abang so institute long edi hostel do. Ningkan ke hini ke thom jalo hostel ke ikenta. Nana function sala. Ipui furniture ave. Apong je song po furniture ave. Silchar ban chikim bo kai na silchar hala koi ji silchar na koi dak de si campus mandi methang kon step je no na alang nitum anda alang nitum je ne mandi asmi ne bang arja tiblo hostel long nang ko basa long nang ko dekam long nang ko
सारा बस सिलचर में नया बसेस है और हमारे यहाँ सिर्फ एक टूटा फूटा बसेस है ये कैसे चलेगा मैं खुद सिलचर से हूँ ये से हाँ और एक टाइम में सिलचर में नहीं चलता बसेस बहुत टाइम से बस चलता है सब नया बसेस है
Sir, then we'll be waiting. We'll wait for our outcome, sir. We will wait for the tentative date for our demands, for our admission, for our playground, for our hostel, for our buses.
हमारे ऑफिस में काम करने वाले जुएल सर वो भी अभी तक मतलब परमानेंट नहीं है हमारा परमानेंट पोस्ट में भी कोई नहीं है जुएल सर इतना मेहनत करते हैं फिर भी परमानेंट नहीं है इतना साल से मेहनत कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट के लिए कैसे चलेगा कैसे चलेगा जुएल सर को देख के मुझे बुरा लगता है
We'll wait for it, sir. Yeah. So only those pay for the meeting tickets also.
Students unity long live! No buses! No buses! No buses! No penalties! No penalties! No penalties! No playground! No playground! No hostel!
We are hiring our financial advisor, development officer. Be part of our team. Flexibility, professional growth, good paycheck. For more details, call on 99577 65530 and 936-5872-336. Send your CV to Kotak Mahindra Life Insurance, Dipu Branch, Town Outpost, Municipal Board, Complex Main Market.